Welcome back to the Car Center, where we explore the machines that define power, passion, and performance. Today is a special day for muscle car fans, because an American legend has officially returned. The all-new next-generation 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429 has been unveiled, and it's not just a tribute to the past, it's a bold statement about the future of American muscle. If you've ever dreamed of raw V8 attitude mixed with modern technology, this is the car you've been waiting for. The name Boss 429 carries serious weight in automotive history. Originally built to dominate NASCAR in the late 1960s, the Boss 429 became one of the most iconic and rare Mustangs ever created. Ford hasn't used this badge lightly, and that's exactly why the 2026 Boss 429 feels so special. This isn't just another Mustang trim level, it's a complete reimagining of what a high-performance muscle car should be in the modern era. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Mustang Boss 429 looks aggressive, muscular, and purpose-built. The front fascia is wider and more imposing, with a deep sculpted hood that proudly hints at the massive power underneath. The hood scoop is functional, designed to feed cool air directly into the engine, and it instantly reminds you of the original Boss cars. The grille is darker and more minimal, putting all the attention on the car's width and stance rather than flashy details. Moving along the sides, the Boss 429 features flared fenders that give it a planted, road-hugging look. The body lines are sharp yet clean, blending classic Mustang proportions with modern aerodynamic efficiency. Large performance wheels wrapped in ultra-wide tires fill the wheel arches perfectly, signaling that this car is built for serious grip and control. Subtle Boss 429 badging replaces excessive branding, giving the car a confident, almost intimidating presence. At the rear, the 2026 Boss 429 continues to impress. A redesigned rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a functional rear spoiler work together to improve stability at high speeds. The signature Mustang tri-bar taillights are still here, but they've been modernized with sharper lighting elements and a darker finish that matches the Boss's aggressive personality. Everything about the exterior design says this car means business. Now let's talk about what truly defines the Boss 429, the engine. While Ford hasn't officially confirmed every detail, all signs point toward a modernized, naturally aspirated V8 inspired by the legendary 429 cubic inch motor. This new power plant is expected to deliver brutal horsepower, lightning-fast throttle response, and a sound that sends chills down your spine. Unlike smaller turbocharged engines, this V8 is all about raw mechanical power and emotional driving experience. Paired with this engine is a performance-focused transmission setup. Enthusiasts will be happy to know that a manual gearbox is expected to be at the heart of the Boss 429 experience, offering a direct connection between driver and machine. For those who prefer modern performance convenience, a high-performance automatic option is also likely, tuned for aggressive shifts and track-ready responsiveness. The chassis of the 2026 Mustang Boss 429 has been heavily reinforced to handle its massive power. Ford has focused on improving rigidity while reducing unnecessary weight, resulting in sharper handling and improved balance. Advanced suspension components, including adaptive dampers and performance-tuned springs, allow the Boss to feel just as confident on a racetrack as it does on an open highway. Braking performance is another major highlight. Massive performance brakes with multi-piston calipers provide incredible stopping power, ensuring the Boss 429 can rein in its speed just as impressively as it delivers it. This is a car designed not only to go fast in a straight line, but to dominate corners and inspire confidence at high speeds. Step inside the cabin, and the Boss 429 continues to impress with a perfect blend of retro inspiration and modern technology. The interior design takes cues from classic Mustangs, but everything feels refined, premium, and driver-focused. High-quality materials, contrast stitching, and unique Boss 429 badging instantly make the cabin feel special. The seats are aggressively bolstered to keep you planted during spirited driving, yet comfortable enough for daily use. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable performance data, while a large central touchscreen handles infotainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Despite its old-school muscle roots, the 2026 Boss 429 is packed with modern tech, including advanced driver assistance features, performance tracking tools, and seamless smartphone connectivity. One of the most exciting aspects of the new Boss 429 is how it balances nostalgia with innovation. Ford hasn't tried to recreate the past exactly. Instead, they've taken the spirit of the original Boss and translated it into a car that makes sense in 2026. It's loud, powerful, and unapologetic, but it's also smarter, safer, and more capable than ever before. On the road, the 2026 Mustang Boss 429 is expected to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. The steering is tight and responsive, the acceleration is explosive, and the exhaust note is pure muscle car music. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing hard on an open road, this car constantly reminds you that it's something special. What truly sets the Boss 429 apart from other modern performance cars is its character. In a world increasingly dominated by electric motors and silent speed, the Boss 429 proudly embraces combustion, noise, and mechanical emotion. It's a car built for drivers who want to feel every gear change, every vibration, and every roar from the engine bay. The 202.6 Ford Mustang Boss 429 isn't just a comeback, it's a celebration. It celebrates Ford's racing heritage, the golden age of muscle cars, and the passion of enthusiasts who still believe driving should be exciting. This car proves that there's still room in the modern automotive world for raw performance and bold personality. As pricing and availability details emerge, one thing is already clear. The Boss 429 will not be just another Mustang. It will be a collector-worthy machine, a future classic, and a dream car for a new generation of muscle car fans. If you've been waiting for a Mustang that truly stands above the rest, the 2026 Boss 429 might just be the ultimate answer. It honors its legendary past while charging fearlessly into the future, reminding us all why the Mustang name continues to dominate American performance culture. Thanks for watching the Car Center. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the all-new 2026 Ford Mustang Boss 429, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose the Boss 429 over today's supercars? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.